This 2023 Aliner Scout Standard is an affordable option for campers looking to upgrade from a tent. Let's see what makes this an industry favorite. Starting inside, you'll immediately notice your large counter space with a sink. And cabinet storage. Across from this is your air conditioner. In the back of the trailer, you'll find your sofa, which folds out into a large bed. Returning to the front, you have your dinette seating that converts into a 46 by 76 inch bed. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a like. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.